Hello. So let's take another numerical from nuclear physics. A radioactive source contains two radioisotopes, each with initial activity 10 raised to 3 log 2 becquerel, where 1 becquerel it is equals to 1 decay per second. The half-life of one of the radioisotopes is 1 hour and that of the other is 2 hours. Calculate the total number of radioactive nuclei present initially in the radioactive source. How many nuclei decay in the period of first 4 hours? This numerical was asked in JAM Geophysics 2008. Now, here what we have to calculate the total number of radioactive nuclei present initially in the radioactive source. Suppose total number of nuclei present initially in the radioactive source, suppose it is N0. Now we want to find out N0. Okay. Now what is given? A radioactive source contains two radioisotopes. So suppose we initial number of nuclei in first a radioisotope, it is N1. Initial number of radioactive nuclei present in another radioactive isotope, suppose it is N2. So we want to find out N1 plus N2. So सबसे पहले हम लोग को find out करना है initial number of nuclei in first radioisotope, then in the second isotope. दोनों को add करो, you will get the total number of radioactive nuclei present initially in the radioactive source. Okay. Now here half-life period is given. Suppose half-life period first radioisotope ka it is T1. So T1 is given to be 1 hour. So we will convert this in seconds. 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds. So this will be 3600 seconds. Because activity जो दिया है हम लोगों that is given 10 raised to 3 log 2 becquerel. Becquerel यानी 1 decay per second. That means this activity is given in seconds. So we have to convert this T1 in seconds. And half-life period of another radioisotope is the second radioisotope. It is 2 hours. That means 60 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 2. 2 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. So we will get 7200 seconds. Now we know that activity of radioactive sample, it is given by lambda into n. ठीक है, दोनों radioactive sample का activity it is given same, each with initial activity 10 raised to 3 log 2. ठीक है, so A same ही रहेगा. So A it is equal to, suppose first isotope के लिए lambda is lambda 1 and initial number of atoms are n1. And second के लिए we have A equals to lambda 2 n2. Now from first equation what we can write, हम लोग को n1 find out करना है. So n1 will be A by lambda 1. A is activity is given to be 10 raised to 3 log 2. And what is lambda? Lambda का formula हम लोग को पता है. Lambda it is given by log 2 upon half life period, है ना, log 2. और हम लोग लिखते हैं 0.693 upon T1. 0.693 it is nothing but log 2. So मैं log 2 के फॉर्म में ही लिखती हूँ. So lambda 1 it is log 2 upon T1. T1 कितना है? Half life period is 3600. This log 2 will get cancelled. 3600 will go up. So we will get 3600 into 10 raised to 3. These are the initial number of atoms, nuclei in the first radioisotope. ऐसे ही हम लोग find out करेंगे for second. So N2 it is equals to A by lambda 2. Activity it is same 10 raised to 3 log 2. Lambda 2 it is log 2 upon इसका half life period it is 7200. So if we will calculate this, log 2 will get cancelled. This will go up. So we will get 7200 into 10 raised to 3. So N1 we got this. N2 we got this. What we have to find out? We have to find out total number of radioactive nuclei present initially. Total will be sum of these two. So we will get N0 equals to N1 plus N2. It is equals to 360 plus 7200. It will be 10800 into 10 raised to 3. So this is what we get. So we got this answer. या फिर इसी को लिख सकते हैं 1.08 into 10 raised to 7. So these are the initial number of nuclei present in the radioactive source. अभी हम लोग को सेकेंड पार्ट क्या है, हाउ मेनी न्यूक्लियाई डीके इन द पीरियड ऑफ फर्स्ट 4 hours. ठीक है, सो हाउ मेनी न्यूक्लियर डीके. सो सपोज इनिशियली N1 रेडिएक्टिव सोर्स में कितना है, वी हैव N1 इनिशियल नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई प्रेजेंट इन फर्स्ट रेडियोआइसोटोप, इट इज N1. उसका हाफ लाइफ पीरियड इज 1 hour. सो आफ्टर 1 hour number of nuclei will be N1 by 2 because half life period is number of nuclei decay to half. Now again after 1 hour this will become N1 by 4. Again after 1 hour this will become N1 by 8. Again after 1 hour it will become N1 by 16. So after every 1 hour the number of nuclei will become exactly half. N1 by 2, फिर N1 by 2 का half, तो it will become N1 by 4, फिर इसका भी half, so it will become N1 by 8 like this. Okay, so after 4 hours number of nuclei in N1 will be N1 by 16. N1 we know it was 3600 into 10 raised to 3. This divided upon 16. So if you will do this calculation, you will get 22.5 into 10 raised to 4. Okay. Similarly, let us take the case of N2. Initial number of atoms, suppose in radioisotope it is N2. After 1 hour, now in case of second radioactive source, उसका half life period is 2 hours. So first 2 hours के बाद में it will become half. Again after 2 hours it will become half. So total 4 hours के बाद में it is going to become N2 by 4. So we know that initial number of atoms. So after 4 hours, number of nuclei in N2, it will be N2 upon 4. So it will be N2 कितना था 7200 into 10 raised to 3 upon 4. So ये कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो you will get 180 into 10 raised to 4. Now after 4 hours number of nuclei will be sum of these two. So after 4 hours number of nuclei in radioisotope, it will be sum of these two. So 22.5. Suppose we call it as after 4 hours. Suppose we call it as N dash. So 22.5 into 10 raised to 4 plus 180 into 10 raised to 4. If I do this calculation, I will get 202.5 into 10 raised to 4. Okay. So after 4 hours, number of nuclei will be this. लेकिन these are the number of nuclei present after 4 hours. What is asked in the numerical is how many nuclei decay in the process. So read the question very carefully. We don't have to find how many nuclei will be present, how many nuclei decay. So how we will calculate? We know the initial number of nuclei. So number of nuclei that decay in 4 hours will be, we know the initial number of nuclei present, that is N0, or after 4 hours whatever is left, कितना बचता है, that also we know, that is N dash. So initial number of nuclei हम लोगों ने calculate किया था, N0, what was that? It was 1080 into 10 raised to 4. मैंने power same कर दिया. हाँ, it came out to be 1.08 into 10 raised to 7 या 10800 into 10 raised to 3. बट यहाँ पे n dash जो हम लोगों ने calculate किया है वो 10 raised to 4 के power में है. So I converted this in the power of 4 minus number of nuclei present after 4 hours 202.5 into 10 raised to 4. So initial number of nuclei which are present minus 4 hours के बाद में कितना बचा. If you subtract this, obviously you will get कि कितना decay हो गया. So if you do the subtraction, you will get the answer around 877.5 into 10 raised to 4. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you.